Hell yeah.
Yo, we at the end of the day. You know what? Sometimes I be thinking, life is good. But sometimes we be thinking, how can life get just a tad bit better? But since I'm scared to fly, that won't happen. Anyway, let's get into this video. Before I start the video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you like them. There's a thumbs down button if you don't. Comment, share, all the good stuff. Stay engaged. We almost to the end of the year. So before I start this, I was trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. Well, I'm still trying to get to 5,000 subscribers, right? I was trying to hit 5,000 before the year is out so I can do my giveaway. Now, I'm still going to do 5,000 subscriber giveaway, but here's a new one. I'm going to just throw another giveaway out there. If I hit 4,000 subscribers before the year out, I got a smaller giveaway that I'm going to do. I don't know exactly what, but it's just going to be a minor something. Once I get closer to 4,000, excuse me. Once I hit closer to 4,000, we'll see what I got, right? But today we have the Andis reSURGE reSURGE shaver from Andis, right? Easy pivot head, which that is something I was liking, right? With all the trimmers and all the shavers that come out, they're all box, right? They're all, with the domestic ones, which is the home use ones, they got the swivel heads and stuff. It's easier to, go around different areas or whatever, right? You can use wet, dry, good for long hair trimmer. I wonder how long hair is it cutting though, right? All right, save times on pre-shave. The kits include shaver, magnetic cap. We'll get into that. All right, so there's the box. This is the first product. Now, if you order, I do have of course, y'all know I have the Andis GTXO. And if you order those now, those do have the Andis, the new logo on the newer boxes. But when I was ordering that, they didn't. So it is what it is. But we're going to open it. Boom. They're going for their new, younger, style of everything futuristic on certain things, which is cool. I'm not mad at it. Let's get in here though. I did not want to rip that box, but I did rip it a little bit. It's tight. It's in there tight though. Come on. Yeah. All right. All right, let's get that out of there. With their new slogan, create your way. Create your way. I like that. Andis. I do like this whole black, sleek design they got. They got the flap here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Let me make sure well, no, it is a flap, but it opens up here. Let's see. I don't like the way they got that because it's kind of like, if you're not careful, something's going to fall out that thing. But you open it up. You get some little information here. Hello, creator. Nice little design. Get some stickers. They're going with the Apple wave of putting some stickers in there. That's cool. That's cool. That's the machine, but we're gonna get to the machine in a second. And of course, I dropped everything. It's all good though. It's all good. Get the charger, the clipper brush. That's really it. I mean, something like this will be nice to have a a dock, maybe, but I'm guessing not. It's very, this case is very high quality, like very high quality case. It seems very durable, but I mean, you don't get nothing with it. So either way, this is the shaver. This is $200 from the website. Fully charged before powering up. Hold power button for 5 seconds to designate the travel light, blah, blah, blah. It's quiet. It's very quiet, very light. You can see they have this look like it would be the indicator for the power. I don't see nothing on here about how long it takes to charge, how long it lasts. Okay, so it's a lithium ion battery, gold titanium hypoallergenic, allergenic foils, 60-minute runtime. I mean, that's cool. So 60-minute runtime. I'm guessing it's probably going to take about 45 minutes, 60 minutes to charge. So it's not bad. It's not great. It's not bad. I mean, you got shavers out there with the same runtime. You got shavers out there with better runtime. With the way that they're going with this design and everything, I don't know if they're going for more of a, this is for the home user. I mean, they're advertising it for barbers, but it seemed more of a home use type thing. I don't know. 60 minutes with, I don't want to get into a rant with Andis and Wall and Oster about charge time and all that stuff, but 60 minutes do seem like they kind of short, but it is a shaver. So it's not like a clipper where you're just, you know, you're using it day in, day out, back to back. But I would like more than 60 minutes. But there's the sound. It's quiet, very light. It does have a swivel head, side to side. It's not really a back and forth type thing, but it does have a side to side swivel. We're gonna see how this. As you can see, they got the, if y'all can see that, they got the shavers here. See if I can back up some. The shaver, and it seemed like it got a little cutter in between there. If y'all, I don't know if y'all can even see that. See, it got the foils, and then it seemed like it got a little cutter here. But we're gonna see how it go. All right, 60 minutes. It don't say how long it takes to get that 60-minute full charge, but I'm guessing 60 minutes, maybe 30, if I, you know, maybe. But either way, this is the Andis reSURGE shaver. Opening it, it looks a lot better than it looks a lot better package wise than it does once you get it in your hand. Right? Like, it's cool. It's small. I like the design. It got a nice grip. The power button's here. So we're going to get a good use out of it. This is $200 from the website. No shipping and handling. It's just $200 flat. So for that price, of course, we have the Babyliss shavers. We have Andis shavers. We have Wall shavers that have been getting the job done, especially Babyliss. Babyliss shavers have been, you know, at the top of the totem pole for a while with their gold shavers, or the, you know, the double foils that they had in their FX3 collection. Shavers are actually great. You know, I love those as well. So we're going to see if Andis is trying to play hardball with the barber world, or they're trying to go with the Bronze Series 9. I haven't used the Bronze myself, but a lot of people do swear by the Bronze series. So we're going to see. I don't like that 60-minute runtime. opening it and feeling it, the package is more impressive than the shaver, just by the looks. Now, I haven't used it yet, so we're gonna take it home. Not take it home, but we're gonna sit down. We're gonna get some good use out of it. We're gonna put it to the test. And we're gonna see what it, how it operates. And we're gonna see how that 60-minute runtime look. We're gonna see how it shades. We're gonna see how it go. All right. So if you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike the videos, hit the thumbs down button, comment, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. Hi. I took a week off, but we're gonna try to get some videos to end the year off right. And then we're gonna try to get the year started off right of 2022. 5,000 subscriber giveaway. We're inching closer, so make sure you subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe as well. More videos on the way, and I'm out. Peace.